This is TokyoPaul. We're literally at Akihabara station. This is Chabara. There's a lot of Chiba and Japanese goods here, so let's take a tour. Cool. Look at that. Giant daruma here. Coffee cafe. The main thing is here. Lots of Japanese goods. Dried sweet potato for 600 yen. 4 or 5 bucks. I believe it's from Chiba. Sesame seed. Stuff to go with rice. Maybe this is seaweed. Oh, this is definitely seaweed. Kombu, see, seaweed for rice. Probably a little bit salty. Konyaku, probably. These are like the omiyage gift store. Chabara, looks like a ramen. 420 for ramen packs. This is high quality stuff. Yo, this stuff is huge. It's like 3 or 4 grams, 100 grams. Packaged clams. Oh, it's like 10 bucks. I think there's some kind of sauce going on. Whoa, what is this? Feels, I thought it was like daikon. Yeah, it looks like pickled daikon. Tepuzuke. Probably in clam sauce. Lots of interesting Japanese. Yeah, look. This would be good with rice. Buy some rice. Clams with garlic. Probably is really good with rice. Of course, you can't bring that on a plane, unfortunately. Probably bring this. Yams. Looks like probably good with tea. I'm guessing this is matcha flavor. This is what they call yokan. $3.90. Original flavor, probably. What flavor that is? Yam flavor. What is this? Salt. Looks like a rice snack. Mochi, yep, rice snack. 600 yen. Probably goes well with tea, right? Lots of traditional foods here. What is this? Oh, look, dried fish. 500 yen. Probably goes well with beer. Probably has some soy sauce and sugar. Reminds me of some Chinese or Korean snack. Oh, more dried clams. Product of, I feel like it's a Chiba Prefectural. Aburi clams. Asari clams. These are the smaller flavor. Hey, does this remind you of the Little Mermaid or what? Crispy Spanish garlic shrimp flavored rice crackers. Nice packaging. Max Coffee. Max Coffee is a chain of coffee stores, but this looks like a cracker to go with your coffee. This is the Chiba Prefecture mascot. Peanuts are another famous Chiba product. Salted peanuts probably go well with beer. I'm sure they think it goes well with beer. There you go. Peanut production. It's goes with the 540 yen with tax. Sifting peanuts. Peanuts. Oh, like different flavors. Maybe curry or something. Coffee flavored peanuts. Wasabi flavored peanuts. Cinnamon flavored peanuts. Enjoy peanuts. Peanuts King. What's a Lion King? Peanut crackers. 14 and a 1,200 yen. $10. Strawberry Beauty. Strawberry cake. Little samurai here. Japanese pear. Boy. Chiffon cake. It's a type of cake. Whoa. It's got a Chiba strawberry soda. Cider. Shape of Chiba mascot dog. Georgia Max Coffee. That might be a Coca-Cola sub-brand. Japanese miso soup. Nice. Whoa. Instant shrimp miso soup. I was not a fan of miso soup about 5 years ago, but you know what's growing on me? You can actually put some pork in it and make tonjiru, which is pork soup. Instant little neck clam miso mix. Pretty good. One pack is $594. 600 yen. Shijimi clam chowder. Ooh. Japanese style clam chowder. Probably good. Very high chance it's good. A lot of seaweed here for the soup. Oh. There's some rice snacks, soup. Oh, this is shaved fish. Katsuobushi. Fish flakes. Lots of dried fish here. Everything's about 500, 600 yen. $5-6, very good. Seaweed. Again, a lot of this stuff goes well with rice. Just nori seaweed. 200 grams. A Chiba product. It's a nice big store right here at Akihabara station. I'm gonna check out the refrigerated section. It's cute. Strange stuff, hard to understand. Oden, oh that's Oden. Japanese style soup. Oh, it's from Shizuoka Prefecture. Oden. 1480, huh? It's pickled octopus slices, I guess. 800 yen. Squid slices pickled. Yeah, like I say, this is number 3 popular. Shrimp, pickled shrimp slices, pieces. Shrimp here, probably the fish here. Oh, seafood. Oh, lemon. Matcha lemon. Was it tea? Yeah, man, Shizuoka's famous for tea. We did a live stream there. Check it out on the channel. 550 TokyoPaul channel. What is this? Oh, it's Oden in a can. Oden in a can. You probably bring this on the plane. It's $3.50. Oh, you can try it yourself. From here, it looks like it's all sold out of samples. Alayu is pretty popular here. Goes well with rice. But this is a very unique looking layu for 756 yen for plus tax. Huge pack. Looks like this. Lots of delicious stuff inside. Probably layu, some pickles. Oh, probably the fish. Layu with salmon. Oh, salmon. This is salmon? Mm-hmm. Cool. So layu with salmon. Probably again good with rice. Yeah, eat with rice. Looks like that. Looks like recommend rice and looks like a not a hard-boiled egg, but probably one of those half-boiled eggs. Saba curry, I've never seen that before. That's unique. Look at the packaging. Mackerel curry. Saba's mackerel. It's a can. So you just open it, put that with rice, I guess. Oh, thanks. Looks like that. Looks really unique because usually curry goes with pork and beef. Pretty cheap, $4.53. It's more probably mackerel saba. This is what just Chabara looks like. Mackerel and brine, so its own sauces. That's probably looks like about 100 yen cheaper, $4.10.
Did you notice that there like a sign for like a prefecture?
Oh yeah, Asoka. I was in Chiba and then we were just in Shizuoka. What's this one? Think different from it. Whoa. A lot of oh, they go with bread. She disappeared. Sorry about that. Olive oil. These probably go well with bread. A lot of these. What is this? Oh, mushroom. Looks like mushroom. Just bread spreads. Haha. Love the artwork. It's like canned fish. Peanuts. So she mentioned there's signs of every prefecture. But I'm not sure if it's all 47, but different prefecture. Oh, Mikado coffee. What prefecture's here?
Oh, this is Kumamoto.
Oh, Kumamoto. Where? Oh, Kumamoto. Fukuoka. Cool. Well, let's check it out. Some soy sauce from Kumamoto, so South Kyushu. Oh, we should try some of this. Are you getting anything? We getting anything? There's garlic for peanuts. It's a little spicy.
There are so many
products, right, from every prefecture. Kind of cool.
I can't pick.
Yeah, good for gifts. From right near Akihabara station. Oh, this is Okinawa Fair. Whoa, garlic shrimp sauce. Who likes that red dragon on there? It's right next to Akihabara station. Oh, it's a little steep for the price, $1,500.
Corned beef hash.
Oh, corned beef hash. Very, looks a little western. Hormel.
Because they are U.S. Army base.
Yep. Hormel kakani. Cuts of pork. Okinawa stuff. That's Okinawa right there. Oh, Nagasaki. I used to live there. Hey, man.
Here.
Yeah, that's the map. Kumamoto's down here. That green speck is Nagasaki. Okinawa's like down here off the map. Oh, and that's for J-Vlog, huh?
Ray.
Yeah? Yakiebi.
Hey, Ray.
Ray? A is Ray. Holy crap, stingray. The flying fish over here. Like fried stingray. Oh, this is miso soup. You can tell by the curled up tofu. The soba. Probably you can eat that cold or warm. This is them making it. It's like Nagasaki. Look at that. Look at that, the beautiful looking soba. What is that?
Salt.
Exotic salts. Look at that. Different colors. Pink. Brown. It's interesting. This pink one's very... Yeah, look at that. A whole packet of soap for your friends. Easy to carry. A little under $10. This one was made in the sea by this guy. So it looks like this, right? Really cool, sun dried.
Because they make like this.
Yeah.
So they became like
Flakes, probably very tasty. I want to try. I'm gonna try to zoom in for you guys. They make it like that, literally like the sea. 1 second while I show you. These are their steps until finish. Chips, are these chips? Look at this packaging. Salt flavored potato chip. One giant chip, one pag is $3.78. All this around Akihabara station, like a fair. Whoa, interesting. Stuffed animal. Spice, maximum spice. Spice mix. Probably a gamble. Whoa, this is daikon. Very Asian. Another curry in a can. You can probably get a lot of these from Hote. Koksan buta, so pork from Japan. Curry in a can, $3.30. Oh, Dan. What is this? Oh, looks like a yakitori package. Oh, a little giant sausage. Huh. Smoked sausage. $7.14. Might be a good deal. Kind of looks like this. Oh, is that Shiga? I can't read that. Whoa. Miso katsu curry. Look how dark it is. Hacho miso curry pork cutlet. So much weird stuff. Look at that. It's like jelly, salmon flakes, and some kind of soup. Eat it with rice. I'll probably put it in like a rice cooker with rice, and it becomes like, I'm guessing like takikomi gohan or something. Wow, wow, fake fruit.
Yeah, like a jelly.
Ah, so fruit jellies. They look like this. Like maybe plastic. Oh, it feels like plastic, but cute. $2.85 a piece. Have apples. This is plastic, of course. Of course, I especially like this one: the melon, pear, plastic jelly, orange. Whoa! No, they're not 280. These are 700 yen. Give it as a set of jelly for $30, a little under $30. Canned foods. This place is huge. Look how big it is. Looks like they even have an Instagram page. Check it out. Hopefully this is useful if you can scan it right now for my video. This place is huge. Oh my. What is this? Somewhere in Japan they make pepper foods. Look at that. Yeah, what is this? These Trader
Joe's.
네. Look at that. What? Oh, it looks really spicy curry. Again, this place is right next to Akihabara station. Less than a minute walk. Some kind of spicy looking yuzu curry. Miso dare. Oh, some miso sauce for your stir fries. Probably can't bring that on plane. Niigata. So you got maps too. Look at that. Niigata's right there on the Nihongagawa. I know it's very like one of the snowiest prefectures. Dried fish with rice. Probably very traditional Japanese food, I think. What is this? Oh, Karuizawa, famous Tokyo retreat city, town. Especially in the summer when it's hot. Mikan, dried mikan, which is a variety of like orange, kind of like a candied fruit. Keep going now. Oh, miso. Of course you gotta have miso. This is Ishikawa-ken. I used to work there. Ishikawa-ken right here. Miso from Ishikawa-ken. Look at that. Miso's good for you, man. It's got probiotics and stuff, or like microbials. Giant rice cake, again, probably good for tea. It's like again the wasabi and other flavors. Green's either wasabi or matcha, man. Tea from Asamiya matcha, powdered green tea. Wow. Shizuoka's famous for tea. I wonder where this is from. I'm not seeing the labels. Kagoshima, probably from this. Products from all over Japan, guys. You gotta check this out from Akihabara Station. What is this? Some kind of wine. Of course, we love the grapefruit soda. Highball. popular Japanese drink. Highball is alcoholic. What's the percentage of alcohol? 5% looks like. Do the 5 percentage right there. 460. Cool, cool. What's interesting? Show me.
Like a cup noodle from it.
Wait. Hey, show me. Cats. We're gonna see some cup of noodles from everywhere. Where? Hello? Vegan noodles. Wow, I have a vegan noodle friend. Where is this? That's
Ibaraki, it says
Ibaraki,
from
which is a
everywhere.
kanto.
Aomori,
Sendai, Sapporo. Should we get one? Hakodate, is this one?
and
Hida Takayama.
Yokohama.
Wow, that's very interesting. About 300 yen. What about another $2 probably?
Kitakata.
Wow, they have ramen from everywhere. Hiroshima, which is Shikoku.
Yeah, Nagoya, Wakayama.
That's Aichi.
It's like a Kansai,
Kansai
Nara,
area.
Kyoto.
Oh, ramen from everywhere. It's all about 250. Whoa,
Guys.
Toyama Black, not good. I don't like it. Toyama ramen.
Yeah,
But
Nagasaki Champo.
now we have Chapo, which is okay. I'm okay with that.
It's so
I've had it
fun.
before over there. Yeah, ramen from everywhere. And then Ibaraki's right here, according to the map, guys. Check that out. Cool. What's next? Oh,